We are protein. We are milk. We are steel. We are the resurgent face of India. We are Ruchi. An idea, a commitment, hard work and just 5 decades. We have travelled afar on the path of success. The idea of soya beans stands vindicated. Ruchi Soya is the #1 soya company in Asia. We are the biggest seed crushers with some 22% of edible oil market share in India. Our oils, chunks and flours are used daily in millions of households. Nutrela has become generic to soya chunks. We are the biggest exporters of soya products from India. We are also the biggest importer of edible oils in the country. Our products are the ingredients of choice to most multinational food giants. Whenever you savor a Lay's wafer or a Cadbury chocolate bar, you savor a bit of Ruchi soya products in all of them. Soya flour from Ruchi is a mandatory ingredient in most breads. Most soy sauce, even in the Far East Asia, are made from Ruchi products. We are proud that Ruchi makes it possible for millions of poor people to have highest quality vegetable protein affordably through chunks and granules. We continue to discover, invent and innovate new ways to serve the causes of nutrition and health. Enriched protein beverages launched successfully last year bear testimony to this commitment. Soon, we will launch table margarines that are healthy substitutes to butter. We have moved into the hygiene category too with our fragrant range of Ruchi #1 and Ruchi Health Soaps. Our farmer partnership model has already revolutionized the economic landscape of central India with soya bean cultivation. Today, we stand at the threshold of another agri-revolution with Jatrupa plantations that will benefit the farmers and reduce air pollution through biodiesel. Our initiative in palm plantations will reduce India's dependence on imports for edible oil. These new agri-initiatives, coupled with increasing number of agri-warehousing facilities, bring prosperity and happiness to farmers. The stress on Jatrupa underlines our commitment to continually move towards energy conservation and green technologies. This biodiesel initiative is complemented by our forays into solar energy and wind power generation. Nutrition security has been our guiding beacon. This quest led us to milk. What started as a one-dairy operation at Dewas, Saurabh, is today the custodian of the prestige milk brand Anik. Anik is one of the foremost dairy brands in the country and is renowned for its purity and aroma. Anik is now a Ruchi brand. The success with nutrition products encouraged us to find more opportunities to serve the people of this country and grow with them. Today, your refrigerator is probably made from our steel, and so are your cooking ranges and microwave ovens. The bus that children go to school in is again made from our steel. LG, Samsung, Philips, Whirlpool, Hitachi, Tata, Eicher all have one thing in common: color-coated steel from National Steel. But long before National got into your homes, we were supplying strong, affordable shelters to millions of rural households, making us the most admired brand in the country and the #1 brand of steel sheets in central India. National Steel is pivotal in brightening the colors of airports, stadiums and buildings across the country. National's exports have made Appu a sought-after brand even in the developed economies of Europe and the Americas. Our products have worked wonders in the Middle East and Africa for years. Indian Steel, the young steel company from Ruchi, has tied up with Mitsui of Japan, the 6th largest steel trading company in the world, to produce technically superior steel sheets that have taken rural India from Jammu to Kanyakumari by storm. Soon, ISC will also produce color-coated steel. With a landmark position in the Indian steel industry, we have ventured into TMT bars. Mid India Power and Steel produces some of the strongest TMT rebars that are the backbone of most high-rise constructions. When you make a house, chances are that the strength is provided by Mid India's TMT. Mid India is also the preferred supplier to most of the Indian auto industry for alloy steel through the newly acquired Pithampur facility. Our expertise in construction has enabled us to fulfill the dreams of aspiring young professionals by making some of the most modern townships in Kolkata and Bhopal. Ruchi Realty is set to become one of the frontline developers of modern condominiums in the resurgent cities of this proud nation. Starting from soya processing, today we are a conglomerate producing oil, flour, soya derivatives, energy drinks, steel, houses and a lot more. However, in this quest for growth, we have never lost sight of our mission. The mission of serving the masses, serving them with dedication to uplift the fortune of toiling people. Our products are good quality, affordable and go to meet the basic needs of the common man. In this zest to bring good to the society and grow through, we have taken up a number of social projects. We nurture societies around our plants and refineries. We supplement government's education efforts in villages through Shahara centers. These centers conduct camps that encourage overall development of the children, making them suited for employment. The centers also run mobile libraries, spreading the light of knowledge to the remote upcountry nooks. We have set up numerous self-help groups for rural women, encouraging them to take charge of their own destinies. Apart from empowering activities, we also help the society by direct action. Mahadev Shahara Sukrat Trust treats over 2,000 people free of cost every year. The trust provides free treatment and medicines to the needy. At Chennai, we have adopted a village and are strengthening its infrastructure with new roads and a school. The overreaching commitment to the common man has rewarded us handsomely. Today, our footprints are all over the country with several plants and refineries. Our exports outperform the industry every year. We are not only the #1 soya bean company, but are also the largest exporter and importer of soya products. We have been awarded for export excellence in the steel category. Our plants have also received awards for energy conservation and technology. The history of your company is young. What we have accomplished in this small time is significant. However, it pales in comparison to the visions of tomorrow. Ruchi is on the growth path to even greater glories by serving the common man. Ruchi, spreading prosperity, fostering growth, enriching lives.